So, of course, in this day and age, data is an important part of any teacher's life, and we look at it in a couple different ways. First is I would consider formative assessments to be data collection. And so, one of the more important things that we do in our GS Systems blended learning curriculum, as talked about in the other organization video, is we do include digital sorts. The students have to put the pieces where they go to show that they learned the curriculum. And so we have an immediate assessment formatively of did they learn or not, and we can reteach and remediate the kids that need it, and the kids that get it right, you can move on. So that would be one way we use data. Another way we use data, of course, is we have a mandated end of course or end of unit standardized test for each unit. Usually it's multiple choice. And so afterwards, as a collaborative learning team, we sit down and we take a look at the data and we see what questions students might have struggled with. And a lot of times we will design activities that can be addressing those issues. And one of the big ones actually are digital sorts. So one year students had a lot of trouble with density currents. And so we designed a sort that would help them, understand the concepts of density currents and also would let us see if they actually had it. Another way that we look at data is when we get the SOL scores back, standards of learning, that's the end of course test for the state of Virginia. It will give us an area of where there are problems, and we can use that information to reteach. And again, we can use that kind of self-paced model because there is a website called Jefferson Labs. It has old SOL questions on it, and it can be targeted to the areas the students have difficulty with. We also use online documents called hyperdocs that include a variety of choices. So we have a choice of path. There are different videos they can choose to watch. There are different games they can choose to play. And so we also target in that way the students that need it when they didn't necessarily pass the SOL the first time. So we do use data to drive our instruction and make decisions for the way we design our curriculum.